Do you want to learn how to make faster Clickbank affiliate sales with a marketing funnel? Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly what it is you need to do to be able to use Clickbank products to make more affiliate sales in connection with marketing funnels. Okay, if you haven't been following me, if this is the first time you're seeing me, I come out with videos like this. I do a lot of reviews on products, but where I first started everything online was with my health and wellness sites within the lower back pain space. That's where I spent a lot of my years on, and then later moved on into focusing on other products. So I have a lot of experience with ClickBank. I have experience with Amazon Associates, which is where I spend a lot of my time, and then I work a lot with marketing funnels, websites, etc. Okay. Make sure to subscribe. I'm going to have more information in the description below, how you can get access to my free affiliate marketing course and how I can help you out with marketing funnels. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to get on the whiteboard here in just a second, but before I do that, I want to just tell you that funnels, marketing funnels, are a key component now. Okay, this video is being released 2019. 2019 moving forward, okay, I'm going to tell you this right now. Funnels are a big component. I wish I would have started using them a while ago and stopped relying on my website to put products on and have people just continuously come over there and buy every single time, even if I was having a blogging website, right? Even if you just have a website where you have products, you don't want to just do that. You want to be able to use marketing funnels, and I'll show you that. So I'm going to go ahead and get on the whiteboard here, and I'll go ahead and give you some examples. Right now I'm on ClickBank. I'm not going to spend the whole time on this video. I have other videos on how to use ClickBank, but I want to spend more time on the funnel side of things and show you how you can actually do that. But for those of you who do not know, if you go on ClickBank, you can get started, create your account, you would log in, put your details and information in there, and then you can go ahead and get into the affiliate marketplace and select the products, which I will not go far into in this video. There's more underneath here. Make sure you watch the second video, the other video. But in the affiliate marketplace, there are great products. There are products that are not so good at all. So you have to sift through which ones. And then the most important part of this is choosing a product within your niche. Have a niche down product. Okay, you need to do this. If you have not already, I'll have more information. It's also in the course. Will help you understand how to select a niche before you even select the product, what you need to be doing. But that's where most people go wrong. And they think, oh, well, it's not working. And then they lose a lot of interest because they're not passionate or they don't have an interest in what they're doing. The hobby, right? They don't do it because they just want to make money. And that's what you want to do. You want to just make money. And I get that you want to do that, but you need to help people, right? People give value first. You can make money. As we call it in chemistry, as we call it in mathematics, you're directly proportional. Your value is directly proportional to how much you're going to make. So stop thinking about money. Start thinking about how much value. Value means how much help can you give somebody, how much content can you provide somebody with, and that's what we're going to aim for at the very beginning, okay? That's what I need you to wrap your head around. So we're going to go into what I use when I use funnels. There are different systems. There's things like Lead Pages, Builderall, Instapages, Elementor for WordPress. What I prefer to use the most as a beginner, when I started with the website, I went into using WordPress, right? So I started using things like Elementor, and then I still have Thrive themes. But what I would suggest to go with is something like ClickFunnels, and that's what I use right now. And if you stick around, I'm going to go ahead and show you actually the funnel that you can have into your account with the click of a button. All you have to do is push a button and you get it into your account. How cool would that be? So here I'm in my ClickFunnels account. And basically ClickFunnels, if you're not sure what that is, ClickFunnels is a drag and drop web page, landing page, if you've heard of those terms, where you can just quickly create an opt-in form, or you can create a quick page where it doesn't distract the reader. On a website, when you go in there and you land on the home page, you have so many different buttons to press on. Even if you land on a blog post from somebody searching, it's like, oh, I can just skip away and go somewhere else. Sometimes you have to capture that reader's attention without having all those distractions. So that's what we use web page landing pages for. And I'll go ahead and show you some of these, how they look. So I have plenty of them in here. So let me just show you one. So if I go in here, it's easily set up. They have highly converting templates. You don't have to be technical at this at all. I thought I would have to at first when I first, was building my health and wellness site, and I wanted to give away my free 5 tips to healing back pain guide. I thought I would have a lot of trouble with this, but all I had to do was click literally a button. And I was like, whoa, that just popped up into my account without having to do much work. And all I needed to do was switch the headlines. You see the headlines here? All you would have to do is put your headline in there, put your little, what are they going to be getting? And then your like offer basically, which is put your name and email and information in here. So when you're doing Clickbank, this is just an example to show you. And I have Clickbank templates that you can use, funnels that you can just go in there and put in your information in, and then you're ready to go. So basically what happens is they land on a page, okay? Let me talk to you about the old model, okay? And I'm gonna go on the whiteboard here. These days, if you're asking if I do a lot of Clickbank, I don't do a lot of Clickbank these days. Those days are kind of gone. I still have some of them for my health and wellness sites, but I focus more on other affiliate products, and I'll get to that at the end of it if you stick along here with me. The old model, and this is actually the model that everybody does, and they skip this, okay? There's a step right here, okay? This is the step you're gonna need, and this is the step that everybody skips out on. Okay, over here we have traffic. We'll say that's a blog. We got maybe our YouTube channel. We'll have Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, whichever traffic source you're bringing your traffic from. It could be even an email, people that are ready to go on your list, and you send them all here. Right, this could be your product, right? This is the product. Yes, I got somebody to look at my product. I got eyeballs on it. The more eyeballs I get, the better. And then we send them directly here to the retailer, otherwise known as the merchant, to purchase. Okay, and maybe they purchase, maybe they don't. And when they purchase, what happens? Think about when you go to McDonald's and you order a burger, what happens? You get upsold on the drink and the fries together. And so who's making the money there? Right, we got one-time offer here, and then we got another one-time offer number 2. So what's happening when somebody purchases? They're making more money on the back end. You're not the one making that money. So you got to think about those things too, bring them into consideration, as well as why are you just sending people over to the affiliate, to the merchant, right? Stop sending them directly into Clickbank. Instead, what we do here is we bridge the gap with what's called a bridge page. This bridge page acts in a way where we can build the relationship up with the person. So we might have a video here. There might be a video here. There might be more information, and there might be a call to action button where they would put their information in here, right? They would want to go over to the Clickbank product from here. But in the beginning, now what we're doing on this first page that they land on, they're giving us their information. We're giving them something free of high value. So we're giving them like a guide, a free PDF, a course, something small, just for their information. Why do we do that? We do it so that we can follow up with them and drip the campaign, the emails right here. Look at this. And there doesn't have to be 1 to 3. There can be more. 5 is a good place to begin, sending them opening emails. And we're building that like relationship up here. Relationship 1, relationship 2, relationship 3, relationship 4. And then we're probably sending them to our Clickbank product here again. That's what you need to do. That's how you make money with Clickbank as an affiliate with a marketing funnel. Okay, I need you to get that into your head, okay? Because all these gurus, all these people out here trying to get you to buy their $9,000 courses, getting you to say, okay, look, buy into this, go purchase this thing, and then we'll go and do this. I'm telling you, this is what you need to be doing. If you go away from here, watch another video, go ahead and do it if you want. Maybe not the first one already you've been watching. But if you want to continue going the path that, oh, okay, this Michael guy is not telling me the right thing, be ignorant, go ahead and do that. You're probably not here for my channel, and it's probably not the right fit. And I'm not saying that to be mean. I'm just saying that because I want people who are going to be like, okay, I get it. I know this is how it has to get done, but I'll take action 3 years from now. No, you got to get into it. All right. So product right here, what we do is we have the opt-in page. Otherwise we call like as a squeeze page, and I'll erase this information. So basically we have the squeeze page here. This is called the sales page, otherwise the bridge page, thank you page. There are many ways of calling it. And this can be our Clickbank product, right? We have our product, we have everything in mind. Now we want to give them something for free of high value. We give them a catchy headline. We tell them the story, what they're going to be getting, why they need that. And then it could be just like written right here. It doesn't have to be a video. And then we could put a little call to action, pop up, whatever it is. They can give us their information. Then they get redirected here to the sales page where now you might have a video. I highly recommend you have a video here. And then you have information. Then you have an offer, an irresistible offer. So they go, yeah, that's what I want. They've already opted in, so you don't have to ask for another opt-in. But they see your offer is where it's going to matter. That's what's going to differentiate you from everybody else that's selling the same product, okay? And I'll show you again in ClickFunnels how to do these things. But then they go over to the ClickFunnels Clickbank product, and then they can make the purchase if necessary. If they don't, what do? You have your emails. That's affiliate marketing. And there's this whole other concept of front-end sales versus back-end sales versus like, okay, how can I get more sales from somebody? And that's a whole different matter if you want to know more about that back-end versus front-end stuff. I'll have a video on that below where you can do other products outside of ClickBank that I do, and I recommend you do as well. You know, I won't blur out the name. If you want to take the time to go ahead and do it yourself, go ahead, and I recommend you look underneath this video. But let's go back into ClickFunnels. The reason I use ClickFunnels too is because they have highly converting sales funnel templates. Anything else you see out there claiming they're a sales funnel builder, they might be, but they're not strong enough, or they're more of an all-in-one solution. They try to be more of an all-in-one solution, but they're not going to help you as much as ClickFunnels would. Right? And they have highly converting templates, and they've done this before, and they understand, even Russell himself understands that the owner of ClickFunnels knows that this works very well. So if you're asking what funnel would I use to sell a ClickBank product? Well, it can be anything here, right? We can do this, right? Well, I'm going to go into this template. I'm going to hand it over to you. You can get this template into your account. All you have to do is click apply, and it loads on there. Get your account ready for 14 days of free, and then you can go from there. I'll work with you to make sure this stuff is ready to go. So, you know, you would do something like this, right? Free video. You can offer a video, or this might be something you're showing them that you're going to give them, or it can be something without this here, and then just the opt-in, right? You're getting curiosity, and you're giving them something for free. The free video, okay, put your name and email information here. This can be anything: a free guide, a free PDF, free course, free everything. Okay, it's all about what your market also wants and what you can offer to your dream customer. Focus in on one person. Talk to that individual. Like, hey, if they're doing a health and wellness product, lower back pain, free course reveals how to get rid of your lower back pain without any medication or any drugs for the next 5 days. Boom. Put your name and email information here. Boom, sent, right? You could show them this. There are many forms of using funnels that are the squeeze page, which we'll get to. But that's not the only one, and there are more of them. So edit page here. I'm going to go into the second page somebody would go to after they opt in. So this is what I call the sales page or the bridge page, thank you page. They have many names for them depending on what purpose you're doing it. And so once they get that information, you get their information in. Now you can send them here, get a video of yourself. Hey, thank you for going ahead and opting in to receive your free course on how to relieve your back pain without medication and any drugs. Now, I want to give you something very special for you that I don't offer very often. I have, you know, that course I sent you are the keys to the vehicle, but you still need the vehicle to be able to drive, okay? You still haven't driven that vehicle. So what I need to show you is something that I myself have been able to part ways with my back pain just using this remedy, blah, 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 right? And then you go on with that. And then underneath here, you have more buttons. I'm ready to buy. First thing you need to do. And it tells you exactly what you should be placing, where you should be placing, introducing your stories, and so forth, going above and beyond. This is where your offer comes in. Offers are really important. This is what's going to separate you away from everybody who's doing the same thing. You need to have an irresistible offer. Okay, and then I'll explain. We'll go more in depth in that. I cover more of that. Okay, so then you stack bonuses is what this is called. You're stacking bonuses, so you're different than everybody else. And then after that, with ClickBank products, a lot of the time it's like you do the opt-in, this page right here, and then it takes them over to the to ClickBank products, and then that's where it ends. And that's a great thing to do. Okay, and if you want to participate in more activities too, I can also show you how to do more one-time offers and all these other things that come with it as well. But these are ready-to-go templates for you. Don't complicate the process. A lot of people will try to trick you and tell you things that are beyond bullshit. And it's just marketing. It's just for them to market something so that they can eventually sell you up on their course. Not to say that they're not useful. It's just a way for them to market to your course. But if you want something ready to go, if you don't have a product in mind already, I highly suggest you get into the course underneath here. Okay, check it out, go through it, and there will be more information on how to select an offer. The 5 things I do before selecting my niche, and then going through ClickBank products if you need to, how to research them, and how to use marketing funnels like ClickBank. Okay, guys, hopefully that gave you a lot of inputs. I know I can only cover so much in a video. If I were to sit here and do every little thing for you, like go ahead and create the actual sales page, go to ClickBank and all these things, it would be like for hours. But I can really help you out with this stuff. If you need help, let me know. Give me a comment down below, and I will go ahead and talk to you guys at a later time. All right, thank you.